Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to refill your wallet on the ReelShort app. Now, if you want to refill or top up your wallet on the ReelShort app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if you are not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to refill or top up the wallet on a ReelShort app. So after that you just need to open the ReelShort app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the homepage of the ReelShort app, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. So if you want to refill your wallet, you just need to click on the option of profile at the very bottom right, and here you will see the option of my wallet. So if you click on it, you'll be able to see the option of the coins which you have, and if you click on the option of refill, it will take you to the page where you'll be able to refill the coins, and you will need to pay a certain amount of price. So if you want 1000 coins, you may simply click on it and it will take you to the app store, and from here you need to simply purchase the coin and it will be refilled back to your account. So that's it. That's how you can refill a coin on the ReelShort app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.